Hi everyone and welcome to our phonics lesson. So today we are going to be learning a new sound, okay? But before we learn our new sound, I would like you to find yourself a mirror again, okay? Your grown-up has got a little mirror that you can use, but we will be needing that for our phonics today, okay? So I've got my mirror here. Okay, so you can pause the video and go sit in front of a mirror or find a mirror in your house. Welcome back, well done. Okay, so like last time, we are going to say the sound to the picture that I show you, and we're going to look at the way our mouth is when we say that sound, okay? So, what sound is this, everybody? Well done, it's the j sound. I want you to say the sound j in the mirror. J. What does your mouth look like when you say j? I can see my teeth when I say j. Well done. Right, let's do another one. So, what sound is this? Well done. So, let's say this sound, okay, in the mirror. Now, when I say the sound, my teeth touch each other, okay? Does yours do the same? Well done. Right. Ooh. What sound is this, everybody? Well done. It makes the ah sound. So let's look in the mirror and say the ah sound. Are you ready? Excellent. Ah. My mouth opens and closes when I say ah. Does yours? Good. Right. Let's do this sound. And it's the p sound. So let's have a look at our mouths when we say the p sound. My mouth does the same. It opens and closes. Opens and closes when I say the p sound. Did you enjoy that? Good. Right. Moving on, we are going to be learning a new sound today, okay? And the sound that we are going to be learning is the sound. Can you say that? I'm going to put that here, okay? And I want you to have a think of something that you might think begins with the sound, okay? I know. The word van begins with and in our sound story there is a man called Vic, and he drives a van. So Vic drives a van, and the word van begins with v. And there is our sound there. Well done. So Vic drives a van. Now, let's have a go at writing the sound v, okay? So, have you got your pieces of paper ready and your pen? Okay, you'll be getting some work as well in the post, okay, that has got the v sound on, and a worksheet for you to do. If you haven't, don't worry, you can do it now. So we are going to write the v sound, okay? So we go down, we go up. We go down, we go up. And it makes the v sound. Your turn. Go down and up. Let's do it again. Down and up. Right, let me have a look at your lovely writing, everybody. Oh my God, they're fantastic. Well done. Everybody, what sound does it make? Well done. Good. Lovely. Right, moving on to the next bit of our lesson. We are going to go shopping, okay? And here's my shopping bag. And in my shopping bag, I can only put things that begin with okay? So, let's have a look. I have got a picture of a car. Can I put the picture of the car in my bag with the objects in? Have a think. Car. Nope. Well done. I have got a picture of a van. Well done. A van. Can I put the picture of the van in my bag with the sound in? I can. Well done. So I'm going to put that in. I have got a picture of a violin. Can I put the picture of the violin in my bag with objects in? I can. Well done, because violin begins with So I'm going to put that in my shopping bag. There we go. Ooh, I have got a picture of a... done that one. Let's have a look. A snake. Snake. Can I put the picture of the snake in my bag with the objects in? That's right, I can't, because snake begins with S, and we're only putting things in here that begin with V. Okay, let's do this one then. So, what's this a picture of? Vegetables. Vegetables, well done. Can I put the picture of the vegetables in my bag here with the objects in? I can, well done. So I'm going to put that in here now. Beep. And let's have one more, I think. So this is a picture of a vet. Vet. Can I put the picture of the vet in my bag? Vet. Vet. I can, well done, because vet begins with V. Well done. Thank you, children, for helping me find all those things that begin with V. Okay, my bag is nice and full. Okay, now our last bit of phonics is we are going to do a little bit of writing, okay? So we are going to, I'm going to choose a picture from here, okay? So I've got a picture of the vet, okay? We are going to sound out that word vet on our hand, and then we're going to write it, okay? So are you ready? Have you got your pen, your paper? Excellent, well done. You might want to use your phone frame if you've got it, okay? So, vet. Your phone fingers ready. Let's chop up the word vet. Vet. Let's do that again. Vet. Let's write the word vet, okay? So, I'm going to move my board a bit closer so you can see, okay? So, vet. Are you ready? What was the next sound? And the last sound? T. Vet. Have you had a go at writing the sound vet? Excellent, well done. And then read it back to yourself just to make sure you've wrote it right, okay? Vet. Well done. Right, let's do another one. Okay. Let's do the word van, okay? Van. So get your foaming fingers ready. Let's chop up the word van. A, n, van. Let's do that again. A, n, van. Now let's have a go at writing the word van, okay? Are you ready? So what's the first sound? I'll write it up here. It was v, well done. V, a, n, van. I'm going to put the sound buttons underneath and then I'm going to read the word back to myself just to make sure, okay? V, a, n, van. Well done. Excellent, well done. Give yourself a round of applause for working so hard. So, what sound is this, everybody, again? Excellent. Put that sound in your head. Lock it in so you don't forget. Excellent. Right, well, I will see you tomorrow for phonics and we will be looking at this sound again. And until then,